OmniStudio. This is a practical tutorial on learning and a hands-on experience how to use OmniStudio. Learn its all various components that are available. Uh, what we need from you is get ready with your Salesforce org, ready, copy what we do so that your experience, we want to learn it together. Need one favor from you, subscribe to our channel, like this video and put in the comments what is the next video that you want to see on Salesforce, on OmniStudio. We are here to educate you. So what I'll be creating today is, this is our requirement. Imagine this came from our vendor where we want to create a weather forecast app. So this is the where you need to show one icon, a city name, a province name, a state name, and some conditions on the left. And there's a temperature, and then this is a pop-up icon, which is like when you click, it gives you a 5-day forecast. And based on this, we'll go backwards. We'll try to learn OmniStudio, how exactly this look like. Obviously, we'll cover 3 components of it. In this video, I'll be talking specifically about Flexcards, a digital experience. Basically, this is the UI layer, what you visualize, what you see as a customer, as a front-end user of the application. We'll talk about it. I know a lot of discussion. Let's go into that. When any requirement is given in Salesforce, specifically when you have to use Flexcard, what I have as a practically based on the experience, what I've done is I just create a layout of it. So basically, this is how they look like when you present it with the hands-on experience. So we'll create 2 blocks, block for the image block and then the detail block, and then we'll create all the components here. But let's go into the hands-on. I know I told you this is a practical experience. This is the OmniStudio app that we have. If you don't know how to get the dev org, we have created a video on that. Just go to the app launcher, create an OmniStudio. It'll open, and just select OmniStudio Flexcard. Inside the Flexcard, there's the first Flexcard we're creating. Just give the name, the title, and put your author name, description. Click next with then. Okay, let's do it together. Maybe let's Toronto. Let's do this way. Weather forecast app, for example, or let's say make it a card. Let's example. Just give it a name. Just do the mandatory fields, whatever. Next, here we are not selecting any source type, just for the understanding. In the next videos, definitely will do it. Click save. It'll take time. Okay, so here we are. So our Flex card, the first UI is ready. This is what you'll see as it is created. Now let's go back to our requirements. What we need is, we need one block and one image inside that. So this is the property we have built, property style setup. Forget about it, what we have right now. I don't want you to get confused. But go to the display section, or use just search here. We just need one block. There you go, right? One block, and just drag and put it here. So this is the beauty of Flexcard. It's a drag and drop tool. So it's a declarative tool. Basically, you don't have coding involved. So you just drop the stuff behind the scene. The JSON data is getting created. We should follow the best practices actually. So just make it a block. What's the name we have? The name is weather image block. Let's make it a weather image block. Let's keep it like this way, right? Now we need another block. Maybe you can just duplicate it. There's an icon on the top, just duplicate, and then just copy the same name, blah block. What is the name? This is weather detail. Let's make it that way. Naming convention is good actually to follow. Weather detail. So now the first part is ready. Yeah, so see how easy it is to build this. Then we need a one image. Let's go here. I don't know where the image is, right? So let's search here. Oh, sorry. Let's click here. This is the easy. Maybe I'm just pressing. There you go. Image element. So now let's drag and put in the first block that we created. Here it says, okay, let's name it image weather. You have a source which you can select. You can just upload it from here, or just drop a file, or just from the documents that you have. Let's upload it. We have this asset being from our local desktop. I'm just opening it up. It's got uploaded. Done. Let's save it. So you can see that image, that was our requirement. It's ready. You can just upload any image that you want. You can just control the styling of it, the height, width, the description of it. Let's, in case the image doesn't load, weather image, and then you can do styling. This is how you learn basically. If you need to reduce the height, width, the background color, all those things you can control. But anyhow, there's not much editing to do here. The second part is we need in the detail block one text, and then there are two texts on the bottom. We need it for this stuff, the city name. Let's go here. Let's go to our weather detail block. Again, go to the build. This time we need is text. So let's drop it here. So this covers the whole area. So this is inside the block. Let's make it a text. Let's make it city name. Here you have your name available. For now we are just doing hard coding stuff. In the future we'll make it dynamic in the sense based on the data. Let's imagine what was the text here. Let's copy that same text. What we have to show here is the city name. Let's imagine a city name. Let's make it Toronto and Ontario. Let's make it that way. Now in case you want to center line it, we can do that also. Make it a heading, make it big, look bold. Just make it uppercase in case you want to do it. And what else? Let's say in the styling we want it to be in alignment, text align in the center. So see how easy this tool is. Now this part is done. Now let's go to the next one. We have two, one is condition, one is temperature. Let's make now two components out of it. Let's go here, same text block, drop in the bottom of it. This time you can do two things because it was covering half of the space. This is a 6 grid spacing. So what we can do is you can see from here how much is taking. This is 6, right? So now we can equally divide the space. Go to the properties again, just change it to condition. Let's say, let's make it heavy snow actually. For now, it snows heavy in Canada actually. So we go here, make it a heading 2, and let's make it, it was left line or center line. Just keep it as of now, none, no alignment. I'm not doing it. Just copy paste the same one. It is now the text as temperature. What was the name we've taken for this one? Oh, we didn't change the name actually. Condition. Let's make it this one heading 2. This is I can see it was right aligned actually, right aligned. And then what was the text? Temperature, and then you can do the casing as uppercase. Make this one also body as uppercase. So see, this is how easy it is. We just to summarize, we took some components from the display part and we aligned their properties. We took text, we took the image, we took block. Now another one we have is an action where we'll show you the pop-up. So let's go here to the build. Let's see what is we have. Let's remember, like this is the action field. We already have it. Just drop it here in the bottom. Oh, sorry. So in case you want to select any icon, you can just change the icon here. Let's try searching some cloud icon, or maybe let's try what it's weather, right? Let's make it rain maybe. Okay, but anyhow, let's continue with the existing icon we have. We can just upload the icons also. You can hide icon, show icons, display as button in case you just simply just want to display as a button. Let's make the action as forecast 5 days. The name of the button, the label. What was the label actually? The label was get 5-day forecast. Let's make it get 5-day forecast. So that's the text will appear. Now imagine, let's say we want to align it center. The icon size you can also control from here. Font also. Height, let's see where is alignment. Let's make it as center line. So I think we are almost there. It's done. Yeah. Now let's go to the preview. So these are the options which we have in the flex card. Preview means basically what you have done. You just want to visualize whether it is as per the structure that you wanted. So let's go to the preview. It will just run it dynamically and just show you. So exactly what we want. We want the city name. I think it looks good. So here you can just check whether it is responsive. So that option is there, and then go back to the design again in case you want to make any changes, make it red, blue color, everything you want to change and create a new version. We want to clone it. Activate it means you're done with the changes, and now you want to use that flex card as a part of maybe a part of an OmniScript in some flow or layout that you want to do it. So basically it's a reusable component that's being created. To summarize what we did, we went back, we created a digital experience. This is part of OmniStudio app that we launched. We created a flex card just to showcase a weather information in the front of a UI. It is static right now. We just created some drag and drop components. We used blocks, we used text, we used image, even we used action. Basically action is just a button to show a fly out, a pop-up to show more information. So this was our requirement given to us to create a weather forecast. As a first requirement, we just created a layout. I know we have so much to do in our next videos. Again, we just need one favor from you. Just like the video, subscribe to our channel and put a comment what is next you want to see as part of the learning. Thank you again for watching this video. In the next video, we'll make more additions to this journey of learning OmniStudio together. Thank you.